Kozad, get a mic over there, sound man, and don't be stingy on the sound. Turn it up, brother. Kozad, whenever you're ready, Intertribal. Thank you very much, Kozad Singers, representing the Kiowa Nation. Out of Carnegie, Oklahoma, by way of Hog Creek, and the most deadliest OU fans in the house. Mike Renner, we're going to ask you to come on over here to Young Spirit. I didn't say one word during that song, and I'm not going to say anything during this because the spirit of the POW is with us. Look at the people coming down still. Look at them coming down, spectators. We're going to give you one more song, and then we're going to need to get back on the program. Now we're going to take it on over to these gentlemen here, all the way from Frog Lake, Alberta. Young Spirit, Intertribal boys, sing it proud and sing it loud.